Your favorite dish, yummy chicken hearts. Let's start by cutting up peppers. Cut them up into stripes like this. Let's cut up little onions also. Half an onion. And some garlic for flavor. And some ginger also for flavor. Hot pan, a little olive oil on it, and some butter. While we're doing all this, I'm boiling up some water for our pasta. Okay, butter is hot, put everything in. Wow, it smells good already. Mix everything around. Throw in some black peppers, Italian herbs, clove spice. Water is boiling, add the pasta and cook it on low heat. Cook it for 20 minutes. Alright, now let's add a little bit of barbecue sauce and a splash of soy sauce. Mix everything nicely. Alright, now it's time to add our hearts. Mix them up so they're mixing with all these beautiful spices. Add a little bit of milk so that they're going to be creamy. Cream of hearts. Now shut the lid and cook for 10 minutes. A pinch of salt to pasta. Alright, after 10 minutes just turn them off and let them finish themselves off for another 10 minutes. Cut up a little bit of greens. I have parsley here. Okay, pasta is ready. Let's strain it. Add some butter into a pot. Now put the pasta back there. Mix it nicely. Add a little bit of clove spice there, just a touch. Looking good. Serve the pasta first. Wow, chicken hearts are so nice, steamy, tasty and delicious. Serve them on top of the pasta with the sauce. Make sure to pour some this creamy gravy from chicken hearts. Add some greens on top. Wow, and look at that, we got nice, beautiful, tasty, steamy and delicious homemade soul food chicken hearts with gravy and pasta. Let's try it, of course. Let's try this. Yummy. The flavor is spectacular. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.